What's going on, everybody? It's Alex of Prestige Worldwide Cards, pwwcards.com. We are ready to do a two-box fast break Panini Prizm 2020-2021 basketball break going down on Friday at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time. We are ready to get it going. Thanks for picking PWB Cards for your breaking this evening. We are so excited to break for you every single weekend, all weekend. Yeah, so let's get it going. Let's see what we got inside these two fast break Prizm boxes. Obviously, there's, 12 fast break Prizms parallels in each box. Hoping we can get some of the big boys. Some LaMelo, or some Ant-Man, Halliburton. Who else are you looking to see? A lot of options. A lot of options. Obi Toppin. I put a lot of Obi Toppin. Well, he's really a big guy, but he's literally a big guy. He's a big man. Big guy. Alright, here we go. Oh, yeah. All right, so Obi Toppin, speaking of, and then here's a Will Barton blue. It's number to 175 going out to the Nuggets. Anthony Hardaway, Marquise Chris. Bobby Portis. And there's a LaMelo ball right in the second pack. Just a base version, but at least you got one for the Hornets spot. And a Frank Tilkina going up to the Knicks. There's a fast break Prizm. These have a lot of warping to them. Right out of the pack. They set the Chrome machine on full speed. Precious Achiuwa, and there's a Devin Vassell for the Spurs. Rookie fast break, Devin Vassell. Spurs, Matisse Thybulle for the 76ers. Kobe White, Wendell Carter, and a D'Angelo Russell for the Timberwolves. A parallel. Dennis Karis LeVert, the Nets. Kaminsky, Bledsoe, Jonathan Isaac, Jamal Murray, insert parallel for the Nuggets. Devin Vassell again. Oh, and there's an Anthony Edwards, Timberwolves, fast break Prizm parallel. Boom. Very nice. T-Wolves. Coming up big in this one. There you go. That's what you wanted, and you got one. There's a downtown Kyrie Irving and a Hassan Whiteside. There's a red Lonzo ball. A red Lonzo ball. Not the one you want, but, you know, the one you got. New Orleans Pelicans going to New Orleans. That's number to 125. Wrong ball. Denny Avija, TJ Warren. DeAndre Jordan. Russell Westbrook, Trae Young. Very nice. Fireworks. Silver of Tyler Bay for the Mavericks. Dallas getting a silver rookie. Very nice. Tyler Bay. Kyle Lowry. Thunder, Andre Drummond, and a parallel of Josh Okogie for the T-Wolves. T-Wolves getting a lot of cards in this. Orlando Magic. Wow. Here's a blue Devin Vassell, another Devin Vassell parallel going out to the Spurs. That's number to 175. Josh Richardson, Shabazz Napier. Daniel Oturu, and a widescreen Luka Doncic parallel. Blue, Miles Bridges. We're dancing around the Lonzo. Number 175 for the Hornets. Just looking for the auto. Tyler Hero and a Caleb Martin for the Hornets. And for the Mavericks, Tyler Bay. Tyler Bay fast break autograph for Dallas. It's not numbered. There you go, Dallas. Ja Morant, Fearless Grizzlies, and a Ja Morant base. Bronze, Jonas Valanciunas, or however you say his name, for the Grizzlies. Number to 20. These bronze are nice. 1 of 20. For Memphis. And last pack of box 1. And a downtown parallel of Anthony Davis. All right, there's box 1. All right. Next box, Grant Riller, and a silver of Jeremy Grant for the Nuggets. Nick Richards, Blake Griffin parallel for the Pistons. Karl Anthony Towns for the T-Wolves, Fireworks parallel. Trey Jones. John Collins, red for the Hawks. 28 of 125. Ben Simmons parallel for the 76ers. Kenyon Martin and a Giannis parallel for the Bucks. T is Tybal. Zeke Naji for the Denver Nuggets. Going out to Denver rookie, number 175. Blue fast break parallel. Obi Toppin. Damari Carroll. For the Lakers, oh my goodness. What? Out of nowhere, a Magic Johnson autograph appears. Fast break autograph. Boom. Los Angeles. How about that? How about a Magic auto? That is awesome. Wow. That's crazy. Just a random box of Fast Break Prizm. There's a Magic Johnson auto. That's awesome. Kevin Garnett, DeAndre Jordan. Lakers. Wow. Very nice. You read Nico Mannion, a Kemba Walker downtown. Still got several packs left. Purple Isaiah Stewart for the Pistons. That's number to 75. 35 to 75, Isaiah Stewart. Brandon Ingram. Devin Vassell, Caleb Martin, and a Jackson Hayes for the Pistons. Or, I'm sorry, the Pelicans. Harry Giles. Buddy Hield for the Kings. Jordan Poole. Red. Going out to the Warriors. 125. Golden State. There you go. Lonnie Walker. Austin Rivers, Houston Rockets. Alexei Pokusevski. Giannis Fireworks. And a blue JJ Barea for the Mavericks. Blue fast break. That's numbered to 175. And a Jameis Ramsey right in the last pack for the Kings. Jameis Ramsey? I don't know how to say his name. It's going to go out to the Kings and Tony Snell. So there you go. There's our 2 boxes of fast break. Not anything too crazy. The Magic Johnson auto might be the best hit in that break. So, oh, we did have the Anthony Edwards. These are here's the 2, probably the 2 best. Let me pull those out real quick. Probably the 2 nicest hits in the break was well, here were the 2 autos. Tyler Bay and Magic Johnson, pretty awesome. And then we did get an Anthony Edwards fast break parallel. All right, that does it for the break. We'll get everything packed up and shipped out to you very soon. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.